यद विद्या विलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। We are on page number 38, correct?
Yes, Swamiji.
39, Swamiji.
Means we still have to do tippani number 1 on 38.
Yes, Swamiji.
So the last point was that if Rupi Ghataha means Rupavan Ghataha, such jnanam takes place, then at that time the Ghata Parimana jnanam also takes place or not. Means does it become Vritti Vishaya? So Siddhanti said no, because when the Vritti is Rupakar Vritti, Parimanadi Akar Vritti Abhava is there. Therefore, Parimanadi Akar Vritti Upahita Pramatra Chaitanya Abhinna Sattakatva Abhavena. There is no Ativyapti in Parimanadi Jnanam. And therefore, Parimana Pratyaksha will not happen. Only Rupa Pratyaksha will happen. Then Purvapakshi says, Nanu evam vrittau avyaptihi. In vritti there is avyapti. Why? See tippani number 1. Jadaha sarve padarthaha ajnanavruta ato na prakashante tad gochar vrittya avaranashena te prakashante. All the padarthas, they are ajnana avrutaha. Other than Chaitanya, everything is ajnana avrutaha. So this sentence you should understand this way. Jada padartha by itself, if it is ajnana avruta, it doesn't serve any purpose. Because jada padartha is ajnana karya. If it is ajnana avruta, there is no vishesha. There is nothing additional there. It is already jada. So that padartha avachinna chaitanya is ajnana avruta. That padartha avachinna chaitanya is ajnana avruta. Ajnana avrutatvat na prakashante. So therefore jada padarthas are not illumined. They have ajnana avarana. Tadgochar vrittya avarana nashena te prakashante. Then when there is tadgochar vritti, gochar means vishaya. So that vritti which makes that padartha as its vishaya, ghatakar vritti or patakar vritti, tad vrittya avarana nasha takes place. When avarana nasha takes place, tad avachinna chaitanya becomes illumined. Because avarana is on chaitanya. Avarana is not on jada. So tadavachinna chaitanya avaran is removed. Therefore tadavachinna chaitanya prakashanam happens. When that happens, then we say ghato jnatah, maya ghato jnatah. यथा घटादयो जड़ाः स्वगोचर वृत्त्या एव अवभासन्ते तथैव वृत्तिरपि जड़ा न स्वतो भान योग्या अतस्तद्गत आवरण निवृत्ति पूर्वकम तस्या भानम वक्तव्यम. Now Purvapaksha puts his argument. He says, Ghatadi are jada. For that jada to remove the avarana, you need स्वगोचर वृत्ति. यथा घटादयो जड़ाः स्वगोचर वृत्त्या एव अवभासन्ते. So घटाकार वृत्ति is required to illumine that jada, ghata. Like that, how will you know घटाकार वृत्ति? तथैव वृत्तिरपि जड़ा न स्वतो भान योग्या. So if ghata is jada, vritti is also jada. For ghata prakashanam, you need ghatakar vritti. For vritti prakashanam, you will need vrittyakar vritti. Na swato bhana yogya. Vritti is also jada. So na swato bhana yogya. Strilinga. Atas. Tadgata avarana nivritti purvakam tasyaha bhanam vaktavyam. So tadgata, vrittigata avarana nivritti, when it happens, only then its bhanam should take place. Then I will know ghata, ghatakar vritti took place, means ghata jnanam took place. So one is ghata, another is ghata jnanam. Ghata is known through ghatakar vritti. Ghatakar vritti is nothing but ghata jnanam. How ghata jnanam is known? You need another vritti for that. So tasyaha bhanam vaktavyam. Now you know what will be the problem. तथा च तद अर्थम वृत्त्यंतरानुसरणे अनवस्था तथा च तदर्थम वृत्ति घट घट ज्ञानम तदर्थम वृत्ति. If you do this वृत्त्यंतर अनुसरणम, then there will be anavastha. And vritti abhave bhana abhava. If you don't have the vritti, there is no bhanam. Yatha ghatam. Ghata vritti, when it is not there is no bhanam. So vritti also, when vritti is not there is no bhanam. There should not be any bhanam. Bhanabhava iti ubhayatah pasharajjuriti shankukasya ashayah. This ubhayata pasharajju, how do you want me to bind you? Through pasha or through rajju? So either way there is bandhanam. Ubhayatah pasharajjuriti shankuka. Shanku means the one who does shanka. Shankuhu shabda is shankyate asmat. So there is a kupratyaya. Unadi sutra is there. Aru shanku piyu nila nilanga ugu ligu. For these shabdas, kupratyaya is there. 137 sutra. And then swarthe ka pratyaya, so shankukaha. मीन्स द वन हु है शंका, इस शंकुका, शंकुकस्य आशयः, और दिस शंकुक person, this is the ashaya. That we have a vritti to know vritti, or we don't have a vritti to know vritti. यद्यपि ब्रह्मातिरिक्तं सर्वमेव जडं तथापि प्रत्यक्षतो अनुभूयमान वैलक्षण्येन कस्यचित् किंचित् स्वभाव विशेषादिकम् आस्थेयम्. Now Siddhanti says, यद्यपि ब्रह्मातिरिक्तं सर्वमेव जडं. Yes, we agree that other than Brahma, everything is jadam. Brahmatiriktam sarvam eva jadam. Tathapi प्रत्यक्षतो अनुभूयमान वैलक्षण्येन, प्रत्यक्षतः अनुभूयमान वैलक्षण्य. There is a difference in pratyakshataha anubhuyamana vastu. That how one vastu is seen compared to that other vastu is seen differently. So there is some bheda, and this bheda is there in our anubhava, means such jnanam is there. How? He will example, he will give. Pratyakshato anubhuyamana vailakshanyena kasyachit kinchit swabhava visheshadikam astheyam. Kasyachit vastunah kinchit swabhava visheshadikam astheyam. Some things, they have some vishesha swabhava. Some other things, they don't have that vishesha swabhava. कस्यचित् किंचित् स्वभाव विशेषादिकम आस्थेयम्. यथा घट दीपकौ द्वावपि जडौ तथापि घटस्य स्वभाने आलोक चक्षुसन्निकर्षादि अपेक्षा, प्रदीपस्य तु आलोक अनपेक्षा. So very clear दृष्टांत. घट is also jada, Deepaka is also jada. Dvavapi jado. But for ghatasya swabhane, you need aloka and chakshusannikarsha, both. Aloka chakshusannikarsha apeksha. Pradipasya swabhane, when pradipa bhanam has to take place, aloka anapeksha. Aloka is not needed, only chakshusannikarsha. So there is bheda. This is anubhuta. Therefore, you cannot say whatever applies for ghata should apply for vritti, because they are jada. Because Siddhanti says even between jada there is some bheda, there is some vishesha. Satu ghatam prakashayat swatmanamapi prakashayati. Saha kaha
आलोकः
आलोकः और प्रदीप प्रदीपः घटं प्रकाशयत् स्वात्मानमपि प्रकाशयति. Pradeep, if you put near ghata, it doesn't need aloka. So ghata needs chakshu sannikarsha, aloka. But if pradeepa is there, aloka is there already, pradeepa doesn't need another aloka. Sa tu ghatam prakashayat swatmanamapi prakashayati. Evam eva vrittirapi vinaiva vrityantaram tadartham jata tam prakashayanti swatmanamapi prakashayishyati. इति समाधातुर वेदांतिनो अभिप्रायः. एवमेव, in the same way, vrittirapi, this vritti vinaiva vrityantaram tadartham jata, tadartham ghatartham jata. So that vritti which is utpanna for its vishaya, which is ghata, tam prakashayanti vritti, prakashayanti is शत्रु प्रत्यय स्त्रीलिंग है। सो प्रकाशन करती हुई, while illumining its अर्थ स्वात्मानमपि प्रकाशयिष्यति, it will illumine itself. How it will illumine itself? Because Sakshi is there, huh? Because Sakshi is present in that vritti. Therefore, you don't need another vritti to do that vritti prakashana. But Sakshi is not directly present in Ghata. Therefore, you need vritti. This is the Bheda. Chaitanya pratibimba is there in vritti. Therefore, vritti becomes illumined. Whereas Ghata is jada compared to that illumined vritti. Therefore, Ghata needs vritti. So, Swatmanamapi prakashayishyati, it will illumine itself also. Iti samadhatur Vedantino abhipraya. This is the abhipraya of Vedanti who has given samadhanam here. See in the Moolam. ननु एवं वृत्ता व्याप्ति ही अनवस्था भया वृत्ति गोचर वृत्ति अनंगीकारेण तत्र स्वाकार वृत्ति उपहितत्व घटित उक्त लक्षण अभावात् इति चेत। पूर्वपक्षी से आउट ऑफ द फियर ऑफ अनवस्था, अनवस्था भया, भी is bhaya, ह्री धी भी, all these एतत् सर्वम मना एव, so भिया तृतीया एक वचन। वृत्ति गोचर वृत्ति अनंगीकारेण, वृत्ति गोचर वृत्ति if you don't accept, पूर्वपक्षी is saying तत्र स्वाकार वृत्ति उपहितत्व घटित उक्त लक्षण अभावात्, स्वाकार वृत्ति उपहितत्व घटित उक्त लक्षण अभावात्। घटित, see घटित means घटको यस्मिन् अस्ति तद घटित, that which is a घटक, घटको यस्मिन्, in this case वृत्तौ और लक्षण, स्वाकार वृत्ति उपहितत्व घटित उक्त लक्षण अभावात्। So when Siddhanti said it should be swakar vritti upahita ghatita lakshana, swakar vritti upahita ghatita is ghata, because in ghata, ghatakar vritti, ghata is there. But in ghatakar vritti is not becoming known. So Purvapakshi says swakar vritti upahitatva ghatita ukta lakshana is not there. Therefore vritti jnanam will not happen. Iti chet. Siddhanti says na. Tika on that page. Anavastha bhayena. Second line in Tika on 39. अनवस्था भयेन वृत्ति गोचर वृत्ति अनंगीकारे अपि घटमहं जानामि इति वृत्तेः स्वविषयत्व अभ्युपगमात् स्वेतर वृत्ति अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य अप्रकाश्यतया स्वावच्छिन्न चैतन्य प्रकाश्यत्वे सति प्रकाशमानत्वात् न अव्याप्तिरिति आशयन आह। अनवस्था भयेन वृत्ति गोचर वृत्ति अनंगीकारे अपि, because of anavastha dosha, vritti gochara vritti we don't accept, because otherwise there will be anavastha dosha. Anangikare api, asvikare api, ghatam aham janami iti vrittehe swa vishayatva abhyupagamat. घटम अहम जानामि, दिस वृत्ति है स्वविषयत्व, because chaitanya pratibimba is there in that vritti. स्वविषयत्व अभ्युपगमात् स्वेतर वृत्ति अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य अप्रकाश्यतया, स्व इतर वृत्ति अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य, वृत्ति ए does not need वृत्ति बी for its प्रकाशनम. स्व इतर वृत्ति अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य अप्रकाश्यतया स्वावच्छिन्न चैतन्य प्रकाशत्वे सति, स्व अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य प्रकाशत्वे सति प्रकाशमानत्वात् न अव्याप्ति. सो इट इज प्रकाशमाना, प्रकाशमानत्वात् न अव्याप्ति इति आशयन आह. So then there is no avyapti, because swavachinna chaitanya, that vritti A avachinna chaitanya is there. It does not need swa itar vritti avachinna chaitanya. Swa avachinna chaitanya prakashatve sati prakashatmanatvat. It is illumined by that. And therefore there is no avyapti. Na avyapti iti ashayanaha. Na. In मूलम अनवस्था भिया वृत्तेर वृत्त्यंतरा विषयत्वे अपि स्वविषयत्व अभ्युपगमेन स्वविषय वृत्ति उपहित प्रमात्र चैतन्य अभिन्न सत्ताकत्वस्य तत्रापि भावात्. आउट ऑफ द फियर ऑफ अनवस्था, अनवस्था भिया वृत्तेर वृत्त्यंतर अविषयत्वे अपि, घट वृत्ति वृत्त्यंतर, वृत्तेः वृत्त्यंतर अविषय, देयर इज नो अदर वृत्ति एक्सेप्टेड for this vritti jnanam, ghata vritti jnanam, because there is anavastha bhaya. Vritter vrittyantara vishayatve api swavishayatva abhyupagamena. Swavishayatva is there. It will know, it will become known by itself. How? Swavishaya vritti upahita pramatra chaitanya abhinna sattaka. This vritti and pramata chaitanya, their satta becomes one. So there is chaitanya present there in that vritti. Abhinna sattakattvasya tatrapi bhavat. There also it is present. Evancha, tika, yatha वृत्तेर वृत्त्यंतरा विषयत्वे अपि स्वविषयत्व अभ्युपगमात् अव्याप्ति निराश एवं अंतःकरणस्य तद्धर्माणां कामादीनां च केवल साक्षी विषयत्वे अपि वृत्ति विषयत्व स्वीकारात् न तत्र अव्याप्ति इत्याह. So just as now, so ghata ghatakar vritti prakarana is over. Now he extends this further. Yatha vritter vrittyantara avishayatve api. In vritti, it does not become vishaya of another vritti. Vrittyantara avishayatve. Vrittehe द्वितीय प्रथमा वृत्तेः वृत्त्यंतर अविषयत्वे अपि स्वविषयत्व अभ्युपगमात्. It is accepted that it will become known by itself because of not on its own, because chaitanya pratibimba is there. Therefore अभ्युपगमात् अव्याप्ति निराशः. एवं, now in the same way, अंतःकरणस्य तद्धर्माणां कामादीनां च. अंतःकरण and its dharma, काम संकल्प, विचिकित्सा, श्रद्धा श्रद्धा, धृति अधृति, ह्रीहि धीहि भीहि, all of them, कामादीनां च केवल साक्षी विषयत्वे अपि. They all are साक्षी विषय. केवल साक्षी विषय means they are केवल साक्षी भाष्य. Sakshi Vishayatvapi. In other words, they are not known through other pramana. Pratyaksha pramana, Anumana pramana, through them these Kamadi vrittis cannot be known, or Sukha, Dukha, etc. You can do some Anumanam, but like other vrittis, Raga, Dveshatmaka vritti, Irshatmaka vritti, how anybody will know? Only Sakshi will illumine. Kevala Sakshi Vishayatvapi वृत्ति विषयत्व स्वीकारात् न तत्र वृत्ति विषयत्व स्वीकारात् is there. What is the part?
Svikarat Swamiji.
एवं अंतःकरणस्य तद्धर्माणां कामादीनां च केवल साक्षी विषयत्वे अपि they are also केवल साक्षी वृत्ति विषयत्व स्वीकारात्. वृत्ति here, वृत्ति will be avidya vritti. They will become vishaya of avidya vritti. न तत्र अव्याप्तिः इत्याह. एवं च इति. एवं च अंतःकरण तद्धर्मादीनां केवल साक्षी विषयत्वे अपि तत्तदाकार वृत्ति अभ्युपगमेन उक्त लक्षणस्य तत्रापि सत्वात् न अव्याप्तिः. So there अंतःकरण तद्धर्मादि, all the vrittis which are there, अंतःकरण वृत्ति, they are all साक्षी विषय, केवल साक्षी विषयत्वे अपि. तत्तदाकार वृत्ति अभ्युपगमेन, तदाकार वृत्ति takes place. Means there is a vritti. If Sakshi illumines, there is a vritti. Ukta lakshanasya tatrapi sattvat. Therefore, this lakshana that you need a vritti to illumine, it works. Na avyaptihi. Intika adina. तद्धर्म आदीनाम अंतःकरण तद्धर्म आदीनाम आदिपदेन प्रातिभासिक रजतादि संग्रह. प्रातिभासिक वस्तु ज्ञानम, प्रातिभासिक रजत ज्ञानम will also become known through avidya vritti. Antakaran vrittis are also illumined by Sakshi. Pratibhasika padartha is also illumined by Sakshi. Sakshi will have avidya vritti by which it will illumine antakarana vritti and pratibhasik padartha. Na avyapti, therefore there is no avyapti. Further, there is a question, follow-up question by a student on that. This is beautiful portion. Nanu vrityadi vyavartaka keval pada virodhat कथं वृत्ति विषयत्वम् अभ्युपगन्तुं शक्यम् इति आशंक्य परिहरति. इति शंक्यम् इति आशंक्य परिहरति. वृत्त्यादि आवर्तक, you said in the on previous page केवल साक्षी विषयत्व, and then you say tadakar vritti is there. Is keval sakshi vishaya, how there is tadakar vritti? This is the question. Vrityadi vyavartaka keval pada. Keval means nothing other than it. So that vritti vyavartanam is done. And then you say vritti vishayatvam. Vrityadi vyavartaka keval pada virodhat. Katham vritti vishayatvam abhyupagantum shakyam. How you can say it has vritti vishayatvam? इति वाच्यम्। न च अंतःकरण तद्धर्मादीनां वृत्ति विषयत्व अभ्युपगमे। अंतःकरण एंड अंतःकरण धर्मादि, in them वृत्ति विषयत्व if we accept, then also केवल साक्षी विषयत्व अभ्युपगम विरोध इति न च वाच्यम्। अंतःकरण तद्धर्मादीनां वृत्ति विषयत्व if we accept, so there is no virodha with kevala sakshi vishayatva. In other words, when we say kevala sakshi, we are not denying any avidya vritti which will make this object antakarana dharma as its vishaya. That we are not stopping. Antakarana tad dharmadinam vritti vishayatva abhyupagame. केवल साक्षी विषयत्व अभ्युपगम विरोध इति न च वाच्यम्. There is no such virodha. Why? टीका केवल पदम न वृत्ति निरासार्थम अपितु इंद्रिय अनुमान प्रमाण व्यापार निवृत्त्यर्थम अतो न सद्विरोध इत्याह. केवल पद is not for denying वृत्ति. केवल पदम न वृत्ति निरासार्थम. Then अपितु इंद्रिय अनुमानादि प्रमाण व्यापार निवृत्त्यर्थम. It is for praman vyapara nivritti, that indriya sannikarsa is not there, anumanam is not there, etc. So no pratyakshadi pramana vyapara for that antakarana vritti jnanam, sukha, dukha, kama, etc. Those vrittis are not known through pratyakshadi pramanam. Keval pada says those other pramanas are not there, but sakshi is there and vritti nirasa is not done. Vritti negation is not done. Means some vritti will be there. What vritti will be there? He will say.
Jnana vritti.
That he will say, Ajnana vritti. In मूलम नहीं वृत्तिम विना साक्षी विषयत्वम केवल साक्षी वेद्यत्वम किंतु इंद्रिय अनुमानादि प्रमाण व्यापारम अंतरेण साक्षी विषयत्वम. केवल साक्षी विषयत्वम does not mean वृत्तिम विना केवल साक्षी विषयत्वम, किंतु इंद्रिय मीन्स प्रत्यक्ष, प्रत्यक्ष अनुमानादि प्रमाण व्यापारम अंतरेण, अंतरेण मीन्स विना. Without indriya anumanadi pramana vyapara, there is sakshi vishayatva. So you can see what is given in Moolam. Similar thing is given in that tika also. 1 number tippani says, kevala sakshi vishayatvam iti yojana. So pramana vyaparam antarena kevala sakshi vishayatvam. Where it is said sakshi vishayatvam, you should understand kevala sakshi vishayatvam. Okay. In tika, you have to give some pramanam for this vakya. Swoktarthe padmapadacharya sammatim aha. So he gives Padmapadacharya sammati. Ataeva अहंकार टीकायाम आचार्यैर अहम आकार अंतःकरण वृत्तिर अंगीकृता अतएव च प्रातिभासिक रजत स्थले रजताकार अविद्यावृत्ति ही सांप्रदायिकैर अंगीकृता तथा च अंतःकरण तद्धर्मादिषु केवल साक्षी वेद्येषु वृत्ति उपहितत्व घटित लक्षणस्य सत्वात् न अव्याप्ति ही. So in Ahankar Tika, what is Ahankar Tika? Have you heard of Ahankar Tika before?
Tikayam Swamiji. Ahankara is to
No, Ahankar Tikaya means Tika name is called Ahankar Tika. In that Tika, not Tikayam, Ahankar Tikayam. See second number Tippani. Pratika is Ahankar Tikayam. अथातो ब्रह्म जिज्ञासा इति सूत्रस्य यद भाष्यम. अथातो ब्रह्म जिज्ञासा is ब्रह्म सूत्र. On that there is भाष्य. तस्य शारीरक भाष्यस्य अपि या टीका. On that शारीरक भाष्य there is a टीका. By who? पद्मपादाचार्य. या टीका पद्मपादाचार्यस्य पंचपादिकाख्या. The टीका is called पंचपादिका. So अथातो ब्रह्म जिज्ञासा सूत्र. On सूत्र Shankar Bhashya. Bhashya is called Shariraka Bhashya. On that, Padmapadacharya ji's Panchapadika Tika. Tasyapi Yad Vivaranam. On that, there is a Vivaranam by Shri Prakashacharya, means Prakashatman Acharya. Tasyapi Yad Vivaranam Shri Prakashacharya Kritam Sa Ahankara Tika. That is called Ahankara Tika. Means not on entire Brahma Sutra, only on Athato Brahma Jignasa Prakashatman Acharya's Tika on Panchapadika, which is on Shankar Bhashya, which is on this Sutra. That Tika is called Ahankara Tika. Like how we saw Ghata Bhashya. Ghata Bhashya means in that Bhashya, Ghata Vichara is there, Pradhana, as Drashtanta. Like here, Ahankara Vichara is there. So it is called Ahankara Tika. Tasyam Ahankara Tikayam. And where he gives detail, Prathama Varnake, in Prathama Varnaka, Aham Vritti Avacchinnam Eva Antakaranam Chaitanyasya Vishaya Bhavam Apadyate iti atra there. Aham Vritti Avacchinnam Antakaranam Chaitanyasya Vishaya Bhavam Apadyate. It will become Chaitanyasya Vishaya. Now you see Moolam. So in Ahankara Tika, Ataeva Ahankara Tikayam Acharyehi Ahamakara Antakarana Vrittihi Angikrata. He has accepted that there is one Ahamakara Antakarana Vritti. This Ahamakara Antakarana Vritti for that, what is the actual sentence is given in that Tippani. Aham Vritti Avacchinnam Eva Antakaranam Chaitanyasya Vishaya Bhavam Apadyate. Aham Vritti Avacchinnam Antakaranam. So Antakarana becomes the Vishaya. And Chaitanya is the illuminator. This vritti he calls aham vritti. Aham vritti avacchinnam eva antakaranam chaitanyasya vishaya bhavam apadyate. So aham vritti he calls as that vritti whose vishaya is antakarana. See in Tika. यतो न वृत्तेः केवल पद व्यावर्त्यत्वम् अतः एव अहम वृत्ति अवच्छिन्नम एव अंतःकरणम चैतन्य विषय भावम आपद्यते इति अहंकार टीकायाम आचार्यैः अहम इति आकार अंतःकरण विषया वृत्तिरंगीकृता इत्यर्थः. अहम इति आकार अंतःकरण विषया वृत्तिः. like घट विषया वृत्ति will be in antakarana. Antakarana vishaya vritti will be avidya vritti. Vritti hi angikrita ityartha. In Moolam, it is very clearly given. Ataevacha pratibhasika rajatasthale rajatakara avidya vritti hi sampradayikair angikrita. Therefore, by sampradayikaihi, who are they? So it is given in the Tika. Sampradayikaihi सर्वज्ञ मुनि प्रमुखैहि. सर्वज्ञात्म मुनि of Sankshepa Shariraka and other acharyas, they all have accepted this avidya vritti. Angikrita. Further, in Tika, antakarnadinam vritti vishayatve nirvivade sati phalitam avyapti nirakaranam upasamharati. And therefore, antakarana also become vritti vishaya. They will become vritti vishaya of this special vritti called aham vritti. That aham vritti is avidya vritti. Aham vritti, when we say mana buddhi chitta ahankar, that ahankar vritti is not this one. This aham vritti is the one which has antakaranam itself as its vishaya. Antakaranadinam vritti vishayatve nirvivade sati phalitam avyapti nirakaranam upasamharati. So now there is no vivada, there is no avyapti. उपसंहरति तथा च अंतःकरण तद्धर्मादिषु केवल साक्षी वेद्येषु वृत्ति उपहितत्व घटित लक्षणस्य सत्वात् न अव्याप्तिः. सो अंतःकरण एंड इट्स धर्म दे आर केवल साक्षी वेद्य. केवल साक्षी वेद्येषु वृत्ति उपहितत्व घटित लक्षणस्य सत्वात्. वृत्ति उपहितत्व घटित लक्षण is there and therefore there is no avyapti. Here also ghatita lakshana means ghatako yasmin asti tad ghatita. So one of the ghataka, like Rama pada is repha ghatita. Because it is ra, repha, a, ma, a, visarga. Like that, vritti upahitatva ghatita lakshanasya sattvam is there. Kevala sakshi vedya. Antakarana dharmas are also kevala sakshi vedya. Pratibhasika rajata is also kevala sakshi vedya. In them there is avidya vritti. That avidya vritti which makes rajatadi known, they are called avidya vritti. But that avidya vritti which makes antakarana known, that vritti is called aham vritti. So now if you do vichara, aham vritti, idam vritti, then you will know ghatakar vritti is present in antakarana. Right? That is idam vritti, ghatakar vritti. And when ghata is not there, aham vritti will be there. Aham asmi, aham asmi. Aham asmi means this ahankar is there, or this antakarana is there, pramata is there. Tadakar vritti will keep happening even when you don't do Vishaya Chintana. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sudrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murtibheda Vibhagine Vyomavadvyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.